So, I guess I should take this off, right? So dolls, today I'm fresh out of post-op on Saturday. I'm here today, as usual. You're familiar with the routine. They want to check me out, make sure everything is okay. Oh, take off, okay? I should have known that part. Give me thumbs up. I'm sitting on my behind now, right?
Tenemos ya el amor.
Ay. Ooh, this red light feels good. I'm getting red light therapy too.
Aisha.
So as I was saying, y'all saw I had the surgery on Saturday, and today they're going to remove the head wrap piece to make sure everything is okay.
Chini again. To pull again back. Syria. I can't.
Depends on her. If she wants to, she can move on.
That's it.
I want to buy the other one, the regular one.
Yeah. Okay, do we control it? That one? Yes. Okay, beautiful. It's only 2 days. How many days? 2 days, and looks amazing. So lay down, baby. We're gonna do a little ultrasound. Look amazing.
It's just a little sore.
It is sore because you only have 2 days. With this infrared, it's gonna look much better. Push un poquito para acá.
This is ultrasound?
Yes.
That's different than the cavitation?
It's different. You don't need cavitation here, just ultrasound for face.
Oh, okay. So she's gonna use the ultrasound on my neck. I thought we would have did the cavitation, but see, this is why I like coming here, because they actually explain the difference of things. Hey dolls, I'm just going to jump on in and explain a few things that you're seeing. The esthetician Sylvia, she's using the ultrasound cavitation machine. The machine helps to reduce my swelling and tightens and tones my skin along my neck and my jawline. And the red light that's about to come on, that right there, that's the infrared light treatment. And what that treatment does is helps to increase the circulation. It reduces my inflammation, and it also aids in reducing stress. I mean, hello, I should take this red light home just for the mere fact it helps to reduce stress. Aside from that, the people that you see around me with their cameras, that is the Gold staff, and they're there to take the before and after pictures to see the progress of my treatment since the surgery. Once that's done, she's then going to move into doing her lymphatic massage. And the massage helps to reduce the pressure that is on my cells and allow them to reproduce faster in order to heal my body, aka better results. So it's very therapeutic when she's doing the massage. Now there's no hard spot.
No, no at all. No. Right here you have a little like inflammation, swelling here. You feel a little pain here? Yeah. Swelling.
How long does that take to go down?
Probably 2 weeks or 1 week. Oh, depends. Depends of you.
And that's how long I'll wear the headband?
1 month.
Oh, for 1 month?
Yes.
Oh. I thought only 2 weeks.
The more that you use is better. Slightly better.
Because I'm not able to eat with it on.
looking. Better?
Much better. It matched my body. Yes.
Okay.
And it doesn't feel, so far, once I sit up, I'll really know, but just laying here, it don't even feel as tight or stiff-like as it was before.
Okay, right.
Oh, okay.
You look amazing.
Oh, thank you.
What do you do? Is she doing anything? No, she don't have. Can I take after?
So, no makeup.
Okay, profile. You're beautiful. You don't need makeup.
No, stay straight.
Just stay straight. She's gonna move.
Are you taking a picture?
No, video.
Look how pretty it looks. Wow. Show her.
Alright, stay just like that. So you can now Jackie if the ultrasound, you have to the inflammation right here on the canal, massage.
Oh, okay.
How's it feel?
I feel amazing. Now, keep in mind from what you saw today, I'm still swollen, okay? But to say that I'm still swollen and compared to my before, I see the definition coming in. Like, come on, I never had a defined jawline like how I have now. So I'm super happy about that. Like I said, I know I'm still swollen. They use the ultrasound machine, not the cavitation machine like you've seen when I got the, you know, the BBL, the body done. The ultrasound machine for underneath my neck. And she also said that I can still do the red light frequency. And they also use this Marigold cream here, looks like this, to massage underneath my neck. So this is what I mean about Goals Aesthetics and Plastic Surgery. They do everything here, okay? If you're going to come in, you're going to meet with your patient coordinator. They're going to walk you through the pricing or whatever, depending on what it is that you need. But your aftercare can be done right here too. So what more can you ask for? I'm gonna sit here and she's gonna come back with my headrest, and then I'll come back to y'all when that's on and it's time for me to go. For me to get out the damn car. Oh Lord. So dogs, I figured to keep the camera going, you know, take y'all along with me. Right now I'm on 125th Street. Fresh out of post-op care, feeling amazing. Funny thing, I know I said I was waiting for them to bring me the headrest, but they didn't have any more in stock, so I still have to wear this white one. And the white one that I have on, is temporary. And tomorrow, or if not, no later than Friday, they have, you got the sunlight on this side. Tomorrow or Friday, definitely by Friday, they'll have the one that's needed, you know, for I can put on my neck and stuff. But aside from that, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling amazing. I'm 2 days post-op, and I already see the results. And like I said, I'm swollen, and I'm able to see the definition in my jawline, the same as you dogs was able to see. So right now, we're about to head on into Whole Foods, and we gotta look both ways when crossing the street, so I see y'all on the inside. Welcome to Whole Foods. Apparently they got music playing in here. We don't want no copyright infringement, so I'm gonna have to cut these clips a little bit shorter. You know, the funny thing about being out in the public with this thing on my head is that you get a lot of stares, okay? And one guy was even bold enough to literally say to me, "Are you okay? Like, was you in a car accident?" I'm like, you don't need, I'm like, no, I'm fine. I'm fine. I don't think they're gonna have it here. Okay. Let me show you what. Ooh, this looks good. Ooh, look at that shit, looks so good. Pre-packaged. But as many of you already know, the hubs, I can't say the hubs, excuse me. Rev and I, we've transitioned, we've been transitioning vegan. So, when we come to Whole Foods, it's really to go to our vegan section, which I'm about to show you all. Bam! Beyond Meat sausages. Oh my gosh. If any of you is considering transitioning vegan or just want to see what it's about, Beyond Meat sausage tastes so good, just like a real sausage. Okay, I kid y'all not.
That's it.
That's all you want? The burgers are so good too. Those are good. I highly recommend this. I kid you not. When you cook this burger, it's gonna taste just like a regular burger. I kid you not. Alright, that's about it. I don't want to drag y'all on in this video all day. But dolls, this is about to conclude the video because I'm heading on over to the cash register. And I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. I want to share a little bit of my day with you all, especially with me doing the post-op care and getting my chin and neck lipo and stuff like that. I honestly do really appreciate all you dolls' support, your encouraging words and kindness. I mean, it's so unmatched. It's so unmatched, and it's a really good feeling. But on that note, this seriously is concluding the video. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video, as I will see you in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.